Mr. Pradeep Somasundaram is MSc MPhil Electronics. He is a renowned playback singer and composer. He is a winner of Lata Mangeshkar Trophy. He started training in classical music under Srimati Geeta Rani at the age of 13. Later, he continued learning under the late V. Gopalan. As of today, he is continuing to learn classical music from Thrissur C. Rajendran, a top-graded artist of All India Radio. Mr. Pradeep Somasundaram currently is an A-graded artist, light music of All India Radio and Doordarshan. Mr. Pradeep Somasundaram completed his BSc degree in physics from Sri Kerala Varma College, Thrissur, MSc Tech Electronics from Andhra University, Visakhapatnam, and MPhil Electronics from Bharati Darshan University. When he was at Visakhapatnam, he continued learning classical vocal and light music under the late Tirupati Ramanuja Suri and Satyavada sisters. In 1993, he started his career as a playback singer, singing for the film Ajyuthachan under music director Ravindran. In 1994, he joined the Institute of Human Resources Development, a state government undertaking, as a lecturer in electronics at College of Applied Science, Puthupally. In 1996, he came to national limelight by winning the coveted Lata Mangeshkar Trophy for the Best Male Singer of India in the first ever televised music reality show, Meri Awaaz Suno, telecasted by Doordarshan and conducted by Yash Chopra's Metavision and Lata Mangeshkar. Sunidhi Chauhan was the winner in the female category. Lata Mangeshkar, Bhupen Hazarika, Manna Dey, and Pandit Jasraj were the judges in the mega finals of the competition. Later, he went on to record many film and album songs in Malayalam, Telugu, Tamil, and Hindi language. He has sung for many major composers like Ilayaraja, Ravindran, Johnson, Mohan Sitara, Vidyadharan, Kathiya Param, Sandeep Chauta, Rathish Vega, etc. Other than performing at various locations in India, he has also given live performances abroad in various countries like UAE, Oman, Bahrain, Qatar, Japan, Sri Lanka, Russia, Greece, etc. He is also a composer and had composed 2 albums, Koti Praman, a devotional album for Art of Living International, and Majan Rhythm, a romantic musical based on the various moods of rain. He won many awards like 1991 President of Medal winner in AIR National Level Light Music Competition. 1996 Lata Mangeshkar Award for Best Male Singer of India, Meri Awaaz Suno, the first national level televised music competition in India. 1997 10 Outstanding Young Indian Awards given by Junior Chamber International India in recognition to his excellence in youth activities. In 1997, Dubai Kerali Kala Kendra Award. In 1998, Best TV Playback Singer of Kerala Award for the song Enar Kara Umpin Eja Juka. Sorry, I cannot pronounce because it is in Malayalam, but I'm sure we will understand the song. 2005, Kalaranta State Award for overall contribution to the field of music. 2017, Indiewood Excellence Award in Music by Eris Group. He has been active in international youth exchange programs too, and was selected to be a part of the 19-member Indian contingent which took part in the 6th Ship for the World Youth Program in 1994 that visited Japan, Singapore, Sri Lanka, Kenya, and Greece on a 2.5-month-long ship voyage. He has also participated in the Renaissance 2003 World Youth Leaders Meet, which was held in Japan in 2003. He was one of the 4 Indians selected for representing India in this program. Now he is working as the principal at Government College of Applied Sciences at Vadakencheri, Palakkad under IHRD. Welcome, Mr. Pradeep Somasundran.
Thank you so much.
I am so happy to read your profile. You are such a talented person, done your education, MSc, MPhil in electronics, and you are such a good singer, and as well as now you are working as a principal of a degree college. It shows that if somebody wants to become something, he can. Only thing is his intention should be good and he should have aim, and to serve the society he can serve in many ways. Now we would like to start the program, and the program starts I think with some stuti which Mr. Pradeep Somasundram is going to start.
Thank you so much, Goelji, for introducing me with a long kind of introduction. And yeah, I'll be starting today's program. I'm with a song dedicated to the late S.P. Balasubramaniam ji, one of the legends who sang in our film industry. Shankara नाद शरीरा परा वेद विहारा घरा जीवेश्वरा शंकरा नाद शरीरा परा वेद विहारा घरा जीवेश्वरा शंकरा गानमेनीदनी प्राणमे गानमनी मौन विचक्षण ध्यान विलक्षण रागमे योगमनी प्राणमुनीवनी गानमे नीदनी प्राणमे गानमनी मौन विचक्षण ध्यान विलक्षण रागमे योगमनी नादोपासन చేసిన వాడను నీ వాడను మేనైతే నాదోపాసన చేసిన వాడను నీ వాడను మేనైతే ధిక్కరీంద్రసిత హిమగిరీంద్రసిత కంతరా నీలకంఠరా శుద్రులరుత నీ రుద్రవీణ నిర్నిద్దగానమిది అవతరించరా వినిధరించరా శంకరా నాద శరీరా పరా వేద విహారాగరా జీవేశ్వరా శంకరా మెరిసే మెరుపులు మురిసే పెదవుల చిరు చిరు నవ్వులు కాబోలు ఉరిమే ఉరుములు సరి సరి నటలల సిరి సిరి మూవలు కాబోలు మెరిసే మెరుపులు మురిసే పెదవుల చిరు చిరు నవ్వులు కాబోలు ఉరిమే ఉరుములు సరి సరి నటలల సిరి సిరి మూవలు కాబోలు పరవశాన శిరసు గంగా ధరకు జారిన శివగంగా పరవశాన శిరసు గంగా ధరకు జారిన శివగంగా నాగానల హరిను మునుగంగా ఆనంత వృష్టిని కడబంగా शङ्करा नादशरीरा परा वेदविहाराधरा जीवेश्वरा शङ्करा शङ्करा शङ्करा.
Very nice. Thank you very much. And we have started receiving the messages. Mr. Paul says so many times this song is inspiring always. Thanks. Vrindavag, what beginning. Sonika Jain, blissful. Sangeeta Rajesh, they have sent some signs of this thing. I advise my viewers instead of sending signs, because I cannot show those signs on this. So it's better you just write some words so I can read it. And then Vrindavag, you are a blessed singer, Pradeep ji. Sonika Jain, awesome, wonderful. Vrindavag, the only and only SPB sir, always amongst us eternally. So the beginning is so good. I am sure the program will be definitely very good. And now the next song which he's going to sing is Madhuvan Khushbu Deta Hai. It's from Sajan Bin Suhagan movie, which was released in 1978. And this song was sung by Mr. Yesudas. The music director was Usha Khanna and written by Mr. Indivar. And the main cast of this film was Nutan, Rajendra Kumar, Vinod Mehra, Padmani Kolhapuri and Sriram Lagu. Madhuvan Khushbu Deta Hai.
मधुबन खुशबू देता है, सागर सावन देता है, जीना उसका जीना है, जो औरों को जीवन देता है। मधुबन खुशबू देता है। बन पाए तो बन के दीपक जलता चल, सूरज ना बन पाए तो बन के दीपक जलता चल, फूल मिले या अंगारे सच की राहों पे चलता चल, सच की राहों पे चलता चल, प्यार दिलों को देता है, अश्कों को दामन देता है, जीना उसका जीना है, जो औरों को जीवन देता है। मधुबन खुशबू देता है, देता है। मधुबन खुशबू देता है।
चलती है लहरा के पवन के साथ सभी की चलती रहे, चलती है लहरा के पवन के साथ सभी की चलती रहे। लोगों ने त्याग दिए जीवन के प्रीत दिलों में पलती रहे, कि प्रीत दिलों में पलती रहे। दिल वो दिल है जो औरों को अपनी धड़कन देता है, जीना उसका जीना है, जो औरों को जीवन देता है। मधुबन खुशबू देता है, सागर सावन देता है, मधुबन खुशबू देता है।
बहुत खूब, जीना उसका जीना है जो दूसरों को जीवन देता है। And really today in this COVID time, we must give our respect to the medical fraternity who are working day and night and giving the life to all of us and saving our lives. What a song written by Indivalji at that time. Now I would like to read the messages. Devpal Sharma, very nice prayer for by Pradeep ji. Sangeeta Rajesh, superb. Suma Sudhir, thank you sir. Hemlata Bhandari, SPV, a voice that stretched beyond boundaries for Malayalis. SPV was never an outsider. He proved music is a universal language. This is an epical wonder, sang so well. Sonika Jain, another gem of a song. Vrinda Wag, soothing number. Sai Sri Deep, Sai Ram Pradeep ji, Pandit Resort, beautiful song, soulful singing. Sai Sardeep, super with immense love and respect. Deepa Sai, Sonika Jain, Bezen, Virendra Wag, as good as original. Sai Sardeep, mind blowing, my favorite. Sangeeta Rajesh, Pradeep Bhaiya, बहुत खूब. Devpal Sharma, मधुवन खुशबू देता है, वाह, very good song. Then again, Sai Pradeep, please sing happy song too with your golden smile, Pradeep ji. Sonika Jain, beautiful. Vrindavag, wah, wah. So we are receiving messages continuously. Definitely there are songs, happy, sad, and all types of moods. So it's not that only he's going to sing the sad songs, but we will be taking one by one. Now the next song is my favorite also. It's Fir Wahi Sham. This song is from Jhaan Aara. It's from the Jhaan Aara movie was released in 1964, and the song was sung by Talat Mahmood ji, and the music director was Madan Mohan, and lyricist was Rajendra Krishna ji. The main cast of the movie of Jhaan Aara was Mala Sinha, Bharat Bhushan, Shashi Kala, Prithviraj Kapoor, Farida Jalal, Om Prakash, Aruna Irani, etc. Fir Wahi Sham.
फिर वही शाम, वही गम, वही तन्हाई है, दिल को समझाने तेरी याद चली आई है। फिर वही शाम, वही गम, वही तन्हाई है, दिल को समझाने तेरी याद चली आई है। फिर वही शाम, तस्वीर तेरे पहलू में बिठा जाएगा, फिर तसव्वुर तेरे पहलू में बिठा जाएगा, फिर गया वक्त घड़ी भर को पलट आएगा, दिल बहल जाएगा, आखिर को तो सौदाई है, फिर वही शाम वही गम वही तन्हाई है, दिल को समझाने तेरी याद चली आई है, फिर वही शाम। जाने अब तुझसे मुलाकात कभी हो के ना हो, जाने अब तुझसे मुलाकात कभी हो के ना हो, जो अधूरी रही वो बात कभी हो के ना हो, मेरी मंजिल तेरी मंजिल से बिछड़ आई है, फिर वही शाम वही गम वही तन्हाई है, दिल को समझाने तेरी याद चली आई है, फिर वही शाम।
बहुत खूब, बहुत बढ़िया, very nice.
Thank you.
We are receiving the messages continuously. Hemlata Bhandari, Madhuvan is a popular song, and this film was remade in Tamil and in Malayalam too, beautifully sung by Pradeep ji. These lyrics are appropriate for Mahatma Gandhi's Remembrance Day. Sai Srideep, hats off to medical practitioners. Sonika Jain, what a song selection. Vrinda Wagh, wow, what a song pick again. Sai Srideep, wow, beautiful, so mellifluous. Sonika Jain, amazing feel. Sai Srideep ji, Pradeep ji, our pride. He is the #1 singer. I mean, versatile. Hats off, Pradeep ji. So we are receiving the messages. Please continue sending the messages so that give the encouragement to the performer, the singer. Now the next song which he's going to perform is Tamil song, which he will describe himself.
Again, we'll be remembering the great S.P. Balasubramaniam ji with a Tamil song, one of his most popular and most hit songs in Tamil, Ilayanila.
Ilayanila பொழிகிறதே இதயம் வரை நனைகிறதே உலா போகும் மேகம் கனா காணுமே விழா காணுமே வானமே இளைய நிலா பொழிகிறதே இதயம் வரை நனைகிறதே உலா போகும் மேகம் கனா காணுமே விழா காணுமே வானமே இளைய நிலா பொழிகிறதே இதயம் வரை நனைகிறதே. வரும் வழியில் பனிமழையில் பருவநிலா தினம் நனையும் முகிலெடுத்து முகம் துடைத்து விடியும் வரை நடைபழகும் வரும் வழியில் பனிமழையில் பருவநிலா தினம் நனையும் முகிலெடுத்து முகம் துடைத்து விடியும் வரை நடைபழகும் வானவீதியில் மேக ஊர்வலம் காணும் போதிலே ஆறுதல் தரும் பருவமகள் விழிகளிலே கனவு வரும் இளைய நிலா பொழிகிறதே உலா போகும் மேகம் கனக்காணுமே விழா காணுமே வானமே இளைய நிலா பொழிகிறதே. முகிலினங்கள் அலைகிறதே முகவரிகள் தொலைந்தனவோ முகவரிகள் தவறியதால் அழுதிடுமோ அது மழையோ முகிலினங்கள் அலைகிறதே முகவரிகள் தொலைந்தனவோ முகவரிகள் தவறியதால் அழுதிடுமோ அது மழையோ நீலவானிலே வெள்ளையோடைகள் ஓடுகின்றதே என்ன ஜாடைகள் விண்வெளியில் விடைத்தது யார் நவமணிகள் இளைய நிலா பொழிகிறதே இதயம் வரை நனைகிறதே புலா போகும் மேகம் கனக்காணுமே விழா காணுமே வானமே இளைய நிலா ஒழிகிறதே.
Very nice,
Thank you.
Pradeep ji. Miss Vrinda Wagh sent a message that outstanding rendition as expected, a very enjoyable song. Then we have received from Himlata Bhandari, great tone, power and control in projection. You sounded great. Sai Srideep, missing SPBG. When Sonika Jain, beautiful dedication to the legend SPB sir. Vrinda Wagh, unforgettable SPB sir. Lata Menon, excellent as always Pradeep. Sai Sardeep ji sent so many emojis I can't explain. Then Vrinda Wagh, superbly done Pradeep ji. So we are receiving the messages. Please keep sending the message. Yes, now the next number which he is going to sing is Tum Pukar Lo. This Tum Pukar Lo song is from movie Khamoshi, which was released in 1970, and this song was sung by great Hemant Kumar ji. The music was also given by Hemant Kumar ji, and the lyricist is famous Guljar ji, and the cast in the movie Wahida Rahman ji, Rajesh Khanna, Dharmendra, Lalita Pawar, etc. And very, very soulful song is this. Please.
तुम्हारा इंतजार है, तुम पुकार लो। ख्वाब चुन रही है रात, बेकरार है तुम्हारा इंतजार है, तुम पुकार लो। होठ पे लिए हुए दिल की बात हम जागते रहेंगे कितनी रात हम। होठ पे लिए हुए दिल की बात हम जागते रहेंगे कितनी रात हम। मुख्तसर सी बात है, तुमसे प्यार है तुम्हारा इंतजार है, तुम पुकार लो। दिल बहल तो जाएगा इस ख्याल से, हाल मिल गया तुम्हारा अपने हाल से। दिल बहल तो जाएगा इस ख्याल से, हाल मिल गया तुम्हारा अपने हाल से। रात ये करार की बेकरार है तुम्हारा इंतजार है।
बहुत खूब. This song is really, I must say, tributes to Hemant Kumar ji, how he sang and how he has given the music. And we must compliment you the way you are singing. Really, we are going to the same time when we used to listen this music and the song. We are receiving the message. Sai Srideep, excellent tribute to SPBG. Hemlata Bhandari, this is one of the good song who had won the hearts of several fans across the world. So whom his song have marked milestones. Sang well, Pradeep ji. Thank Goyal ji for giving us this program. Please don't thank us. Thank the performer, Pradeep ji, because I would like to put on records. This program, which is coming to you, is totally free of charge by Pradeep ji. He has not charged anything from us and from anyone. So this is a greatness, and I am sure that so melodious he is, and he being the principal of a college, how the students used to enjoy studying there. I feel that I should have also gone to his college, sing and listening his songs. And we have received message from Vindabag, amazing melody. Then Sai Pradeep ji, no words, awesome as always. Pradeep ji, Sonika Jain, amazing. Your voice is a healer. So soulful singing. Divpal Sharma, very good going, Pradeep ji. You are singing very heart-touching song. Vindabag, very well sung, Pradeep ji. Sai Pradeep. Pradeep ji, please don't bring tears to eyes. Lata Menon, soulful, great rendition. Again, Pradeep. Global TV, revival songs. Songs can revive life and economy. Great going. Hemlata Bhandari, Tum Pukarlo is the most powerful and string picturization from Bollywood. Bahut khoob. Suma Sudhir, nice song. So we are receiving so many messages and continuously. Now we will go to the next song. This is from This is a Malayalam song. I think Pradeep ji will explain about this song. And I will just tell you one thing, because in last 3 programs which we have given, people have started asking us that we should add some other languages also apart from Hindi. So this time Pradeep ji is giving. Last time also we have 2 languages. Now he is also giving in other languages. I'm sure that we will try our best to satisfy all our viewers from wherever they are. Thank you.
Yeah, the next song is from a very famous movie, a very popular movie, and the music. It's a new song from. I won't say the movie. Just listen to the song. The song. I'll just give a cue. It's done by Vidyasagar, one of the most amazing, most talented music directors.
പിന്നെയും പിന്നെയും ആരോക്കിനാവിൻ്റെ പടി കടന്നെത്തുന്ന പദനിസ്വനം. പിന്നെയും പിന്നെയും ആരോക്കിനാവിൻ്റെ പടി കടന്നെത്തുന്ന പദനിസ്വനം. പിന്നെയും പിന്നെയും ആരോ നിലാവത്ത് പൊൻവേണുകൂതുന്ന മൃദുമന്ത്രണം. പിന്നെയും പിന്നെയും ആരോ കിനാവിൻ്റെ പടി കടന്നെത്തുന്ന പദനിസ്വനം. പടി കടന്നെത്തുന്ന പദനിസ്വനം. പുലർനില ചില്ലയിൽ കുളിരിടും മഞ്ഞിൻ്റെ പൂവിതൾ തുള്ളികൾ പെയ്തതാവാ. അലയുമീ തെന്നലൻ കരളിലെ തന്തിയിൽ അലസമായി കൈവിരൽ ചേർത്തതാവാ. മിഴികളിൽ കുറുകുന്ന പ്രണയമാക്കാവിൻ്റെ ചിറകുകൾ മെല്ലെ പിടഞ്ഞതാവാം. മിഴികളിൽ കുറുകുന്ന പ്രണയമാക്കാവിൻ്റെ ചിറകുകൾ മെല്ലെ പിടഞ്ഞതാവാം. താനേ തുറക്കുന്ന ജാലകച്ചില്ലിൽ നിൻ തെളിനിഴൽ ചിത്രം തെളിഞ്ഞതാവാം. പിന്നെയും പിന്നെയും ആരോ ആരോ ആരോ. സരളമാം സന്ധ്യകൾ നറുമല തിങ്കളിൻ നെറുകയിൽ ചന്ദനം തൊട്ടതാവാ. കുയിലുകൾ പാടുന്ന തൊടിയിലെ തുമ്പികൾ കുസൃതിയാൽ മൂളിപ്പറന്നതാവാ. അണിനിലാത്തിരിയിട്ട മണിവിളക്കായി മനം അഴകോടെ മിന്നിത്തുടിച്ചതാവാം. അണിനിലാത്തിരിയിട്ട മണിവിളക്കായി മനം അഴകോടെ മിന്നിത്തുടിച്ചതാവാം. ആരും കൊതിക്കുന്നൊരാൾ വന്നു ചേരുമെന്നാരും സ്വകാര്യം പറഞ്ഞതാവാം. പിന്നെയും പിന്നെയും ആരോ കിനാവിൻ്റെ പടി കടന്നെത്തുന്ന പദനിസ്വനം. പിന്നെയും പിന്നെയും ആരോ നിലാവത്ത് പൊൻവേണുവൂതുന്ന മൃദുമന്ത്രണം. പിന്നെയും പിന്നെയും ആരോ ആരോ ആരോ.
Very nice, very nice. We are receiving the messages continuously. Priya Vet 1, Pradeep sir, and she sent 3 hearts. How I can send to you, I don't know. In Zoom, on Zoom. Anyway, Sahi Srideep, wow, our mother tongue. Mr. Paul, what a wonderful song, great. Vrindavag, beautiful. Sai Sardeep, wow, my all-time favorite, superb. Sai Sardeep again, what a beautiful lines and rendition too. Avinash Bhargav, beautiful. Sonika Jain, music has no language. You can just feel it. Enchanting. Vrindavag, sweet 2 years, loved it. Vrindavag again, wow. So we are receiving all these messages continuously. Now we will go to the next song, and that is Pucho Na Kaise Maine. This song is from movie Teri Surat Meri Aankhein. It was released in 1963 and it was sung by Manna De ji, and music was given by a legend S.D. Burman ji, and written by again a legend, and he belongs to my native place Mathura, that is Shri Shailendra ji. Yes, please.
Coincidentally, this was the very song that I sang for the mega final of Meri Awaaz Suno, and that got me the first prize, and my fortune, and I consider this as my biggest fortune, that Manna De ji himself was sitting there. I didn't know when I selected this song for the mega final, I didn't know that he was going to be one of the judges. So I had the fortune of singing the same song, and yeah, here it is.
Great, great.
पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई, पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई. एक पल जैसे एक जुग बीता, एक पल जैसे एक जुग बीता. जुग बीते मोहे नींद न आई, पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई. इत जले दीपक इत मन मेरा, फिर भी न जाए मेरे घर का अंधेरा. उत जले दीपक इत मन मेरा, मन मेरा मेरा. उत जले दीपक इत मन मेरा, फिर भी न जाए मेरे घर का अंधेरा. तरपत तरसत उमर गवाई, पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई, पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई. ना कहीं चंदा ना कहीं तारे, जोत के प्यासे मेरे नैन बिचारे। ना कहीं चंदा ना कहीं तारे, जोत के प्यासे मेरे नैन बिचारे। भोर भी आस की किरण न लाई, पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई। पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई। एक पल जैसे एक जुग बीता, एक पल जैसे एक जुग बीता। जुग बीते मोहे नींद ना आई, पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई। पूछो ना कैसे मैंने रैन बिताई।
Very nice, very nice. I'm sure that you deserve the award on merits, and Mannadi ji and Lata ji and Pandit Jasraj ji, those who were your judges, were really very happy to hear this song at that time. And I would like to inform that this movie, Teri Surat Meri Aankhein, which was released in 1963, have the main cast of Ashok Kumar, Asha Parekh, Pradeep Kumar and Kanhaiya Lal ji. We are receiving messages continuously. Suma Sudhir, superb. Lata Menon, superb melody by Vidya ji, excellent. Pradeep, Hemlata Bhandari, Penium, good number and sang very well. Sai Sadeep, hats off to all the legends, humble pranams. Sai Sadeep, wow, kya baat hai. Devpal Sharma, very touching song. You are singing very nicely. Sonika Jain, oof. What a gem of Manna Day, and you are a magician, Pradeep sir. Avinash Bhargav, very nicely sung. Vrindava, kya baat hai. Sai Sardeep, have listened to this song multiple times in your live session. Pradeep ji, every time you sing this song, it becomes more beautiful and different, soul touching. Sonika Jain, wow. So we are receiving the messages. Now, the next song which he's going to sing is Tujhko Pukare Mera Pyar. This was a very famous and very hit movie called Neel Kamal. It was released in 1968. The song sang by Mohammad Rafi ji, and music was given by Ravi Shankar Sharma, and lyricist were Sahil Ludhianvi ji. Tujhko Pukare Mera Pyar.
तुझको पुकारे मेरा प्यार हो, तुझको पुकारे मेरा प्यार। आजा मैं तो मिटा हूँ तेरी चाह में, तुझको पुकारे मेरा प्यार। आखिरी पल है, आखिरी आहें तुझे ढूंढ रही है। डूबती सांसें, बुझती निगाहें तुझे ढूंढ रही है। आजा एक बार हो, आजा मैं तो मिटा हूँ तेरी चाह में, तुझको पुकारे मेरा प्यार। दोनों जहां की भेंट चढ़ा दी मैंने चाह में तेरी, अपने बदन की खाक मिला दी मैंने राह में तेरी, अब तो चलिया इस पार हो, आजा मैं तो मिटा हूँ तेरी चाह में, तुझको पुकारे मेरा प्यार। इतने युगों तक इतने दुखों को कोई सह न सकेगा, तेरी कसम मुझे तू है किसी की कोई कह न सकेगा, मुझसे है तेरा इकरार होए, आजा मैं तो मिटा हूँ तेरी चाह में, तुझको पुकारे मेरा प्यार होए, तुझको पुकारे मेरा प्यार, तुझको पुकारे मेरा प्यार।
Very nice, very nice. And this song is really very touching. We are receiving continuous messages. Lata Menon, thank you again, Pradeep, for bringing the Meri Awaaz Suno stage here. Hemlata Bhandari, Manna Day was a great inspiration, and the overwhelming feeling of sadness is beautifully and heartfelt songs sung nicely. Pradeep ji, Avinash Bhargav, वाह क्या बात है प्रदीप जी, सोनिका जैन बहुत खूबसूरत, दिव्यपाल शर्मा, what a starting, तुझको पुकारे, too good, Vrinda Wagh, very touching, पूछो ना कैसे was a memorizing performance by our guest just now, Dr. Sudhir Charan, Sonika Jain, बहुत खूबसूरत, lovely, Shripal Sharma, all the numbers very well rendered, thumbs up all the way, good vibes, Virinda Wagh, very well emoted, Sujit VR, Pradeep, तुझको पुकारे मेरा प्यार, too good, thanks for taking us through your awesome journey. So we are getting messages. Definitely these messages are going to give a boost and to all of you also, and increase the immunity of all of us in this difficult time. Now, the next number is Rim Jhim Gire Sawan. This song belongs to movie Manjil, which was released in 1979. This song was sung by Kishore Kumar, and music director was R.D. Burman, written by Yogesh. The film cast were Amitabh Bachchan, Mosmi Chatterjee, Rajesh Pandey, etc. Rim Jhim Gire Sawan.
रिम झिम गिरे सावन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगे आज इस मौसम में, लगी कैसी ये अगन, रिमझिम गिरे सावन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगे आज इस मौसम में, लगी कैसी ये अगन, रिमझिम गिरे सावन। जब घुंघरुओं सी बजती है बूंदे, अरमां हमारे पलके न मूंदे। जब घुंघरुओं सी बजती है बूंदे, अरमां हमारे के नमूंदे। कैसे देखे सपने नयन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगे आज इस मौसम में, लगी कैसी ये अगन, रिमझिम गिरे सावन। महफिल में कैसे कह दे किसी से, दिल बंध रहा है किस अजनबी से। महफिल में कैसे कह दे किसी से, दिल बंध रहा है किस अजनबी से। हाय करे अब क्या जतन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगे आज इस मौसम में, लगी कैसी ये अगन, रिमझिम गिरे सावन, सुलग सुलग जाए मन, भीगे आज इस मौसम में, लगी कैसी ये अगन, रिमझिम गिरे सावन।
Very nice. Now the next song is from जाने कहाँ गए वो दिन. My favorite song, very very favorite. Belongs to the movie मेरा नाम जोकर, which was released in 1970 and sung by Mukesh ji. Music Shankar Jaikishan and its lyricist Hasrat Jaipuri ji. And the cast of this movie was Raj Kapoor, Rishi Kapoor, Simi Grewal, Kisnia Ryabinakina, she's a Soviet artist, so I can't pronounce proper name. Padmini ji, Manoj Kumar, Rajendra Kumar, Dharmendra, Dara Singh, Om Prakash, and Rajen Nath, etc. etc. जाने कहाँ गए वो दिन.
जाने कहाँ गए वो दिन, कहते थे तेरी राह में, नजरों को हम बिछाएंगे। जाने कहाँ गए वो दिन, कहते थे तेरी राह में, नजरों को हम बिछाएंगे। चाहे कहीं भी तुम रहो, चाहेंगे तुमको उम्र भर, तुमको न भूल पाएंगे। मेरे कदम जहाँ पड़े, सजदे किए थे यार ने। मेरे कदम जहाँ पड़े, सजदे किए थे यार ने। मुझको रुला रुला दिया जाती हुई बहार ने। जाने कहाँ गए वो दिन, कहते थे तेरी राह में नजरों को हम बिछाएंगे। चाहे कहीं भी तुम रहो, चाहेंगे तुमको उम्र भर, तुमको न भूल पाएंगे। अपनी नजर में आजकल दिन भी अंधेरी रात है। अपनी नजर में आजकल दिन भी अंधेरी रात है। साया ही अपने साथ था, साया ही अपने साथ है। जाने कहाँ गए वो दिन, कहते थे तेरी राह में नजरों को हम बिछाएंगे। चाहे कहीं भी तुम रहो, चाहेंगे तुमको उम्र भर, तुमको न भूल पाएंगे, तुमको न भूल पाएंगे, तुमको न भूल पाएंगे।
तुमको ना भूल पाएंगे। Pradeep ji, we will never forget you, and I am sure our viewers will also not forget this program of yours. You are giving so beautiful and so nicely you are singing.
So I have a suggestion. Can we, because our time is short, can we
Yeah.
move to the a few of new songs? Maybe.
Yeah, I am coming to that. I know that you are, but before that,
Yeah.
one Kannada song.
Yeah, that's what I actually wanted.
Yes, please.
Yeah, it's a very popular song. I think the new generation would be very much knowing about the song. It also covers one other singer. I actually wanted to cover many singers as possible. This covers Sonu Nigam. He's one of the greatest singers that we have now.
ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ ಯಾಕೋ ಇಂದು ನೀನೆಯೇ ನನ್ನವಳಿಂದು ಮಾಯದ ಲೋಕದಿಂದ ನನಗಾಗೆ ಬಂದವಳಿಂದು ಆಹಾ ಎಂತ ಮಧುರ ಯಾತನೆ ಕೊಲ್ಲು ಹುಡುಗಿಯೊಮ್ಮೆ ನನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ ಯಾಕೋ ಎಂದು ಸುರಿಯುವ ಸೋನೆಯೂ ಸೂಸಿದೆ ನಿನ್ನದೆ ಪರಿಮಳ ಇನ್ಯಾರ ಕನಸಲು ನೀನು ಹೋದರೆ ತಲಮಲ ಪೂರ್ಣ ಚಂದಿರ ರಜಾ ಹಾಕಿದ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಮೊಗವನು ಕಂದ ಕ್ಷಣ ನಾ ಖೈದಿ ನೀನೆ ಸೆರೆಮನೆ ತಪ್ಪಿ ನನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಪಿಕೊಮ್ಮೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ ಯಾಕೋ ಎಂದು ತುದಿಗಳ ಹೂವಲಿ ಆಡದ ಮಾತಿನ ಸಿಹಿದೆ ಮನಸ್ಸಿನ ಪುಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇವಲ ನಿನ್ನದೆ ಸಹಿಯಿದೆ ಹಳೆಯಲಿ ಬರೆಯದ ನಿನ್ನ ಹೆಸರ ಹೃದಯದಿ ನಾದೇ ಕೊರೆದಿದುವೆ ನಿನಗುಂಟೆ ಇದರ ಕಲ್ಪನೆ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರ ತೂಗೆಯಮ್ಮ ಹಾಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ ಯಾಕೋ ಎಂದು ನೀವೇನೆ ನನ್ನವಳೆಂದು ಮಾಯದ ಲೋಕದಿಂದ ನನಗಾಗೆ ಬಂದವಳಿಂದು ಆಹಾ ಎಂತ ಮಧುರ ಯಾತನೆ ಕೊಲ್ಲು ಹುಡುಗಿಯೊಮ್ಮೆ ನನ್ನ ಹಾಗೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಅನಿಸುತ್ತಿದೆ ಯಾಕೋ ಎಂದು
Very, very nice. The time is short, so we cannot read the messages. So the next song is Tum Paas Aaye. That is a song from Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. This movie was released in 1998, sung by Udit Narayan, and music Jatin Lalit, written by Sameer, and the casting was Shah Rukh Khan, Kajol, Rani Mukherjee, Salman Khan, Sana Saeed, Anupam Kher, Farida Jalal, and Johnny Lever. Main Tenu Samjhavan Ki. This song is from Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhaniya. A movie was released in 2014, sung by the latest heartthrob Arjit Singh. Music is Jawad Ahmad and Shorab, and Tosh Ahmad, Anis Kumar. They were the writers, and the casting was Varun Dhawan, Alia Bhatt, Siddharth Shukla, and Ashutosh Rana.
मैं तनु समझावा कि न तेरे बिन लगदा जी मैं तनु समझावा कि न तेरे बिन लगदा जी तू की जाने प्यार मेरा मैं करूं इंतजार तेरा तू दिल तू यो जान मेरी मैं तेनू समझावा कि ना तेरे बिन लगदा जी तू की जाने प्यार मेरा मैं करूं इंतजार तेरा तू दिल तू यो जान मेरी मैं तेनू समझावा कि ना तेरे बिन लगदा जी। मेरे दिल ने चुन लिया ने तेरे दिल दिया राह तू जो मेरे नाल तू रहता तुर पे मेरी आसा जीना मेरा हुन है तेरा की मैं करा तू कर एतबार मेरा मैं करूं इंतजार तेरा तू दिल तू या जान मेरी मैं तनु समझावा कि ना तेरे बिन लगदा जी
Very nice, very nice. I'm sure that all our viewers who are of young age and they have enjoyed this song because they wanted some new song. Now, in the last, I want one song which was a difficult song, but I'm sure for you there's nothing difficulties, and that is O Duniya Ke Rakhwale. This song is from film Baiju Bawra. It was released in 1952, sung by greatest, one of the greatest singer Muhammad Rafi ji, music Naushad ji, written by Shakil Badayuni ji, and the casting was Meena Kumari, Bharat Bhushan, Kuldeep Kaur, Manmohan Krishna. And the beauty of this song is, if you see, all the singer, the music director, and the writer all belongs to the community, all which is, I can say, Muslim community, but the song is a prayer of Hindus. So that is what we believe, the unity. Everyone is one. We are not different. We have no caste, religion. Music is such a thing which joins each and everyone. Yes, please.
भगवान 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 ओ दुनिया के रखवाले सुन दर्द भरे मेरे नाले सुन दर्द भरे मेरे नाले आश निराश के दो रंगों से दुनिया तूने सजाई नैया संग तूफान बनाया मिलन के साथ जुदाई जा देख लिया हर जाई ओ लुट गई मेरे प्यार की नगरी अब तो नीर बहाले अब तो नीर बहाले अब तो नीर बहाले ओ दुनिया के रखवाले सुन दर्द भरे मेरे नाले सुन दर्द भरे मेरे नाले आग बनी सावन की बरखा फूल बने अंगारे नागन बन गई रात सुहानी पत्थर बन गए तारे सब टूट चुके हैं सहारे ओ जीवन अपना वापस ले ले जीवन देने वाले ओ दुनिया के रखवाले। चांद को ढूंढे पागल सूरज, शाम को ढूंढे सवेरा, मैं भी ढूंढूं उस प्रीतम को, हो न सका जो मेरा। भगवान भला हो तेरा, ओ किस्मत फूटी आस न टूटी, पाँव में पड़ गए छाले, ओ दुनिया के रखवाले। महल उदास और गलियां सूनी, चुप चुप है दीवारें, दिल क्या उजड़ा दुनिया उजड़ी, रूठ गई है बहारें, हम जीवन कैसे गुजारे। ओ मंदिर गिरता फिर बन जाता, दिल को कौन संभाले, ओ दुनिया के रखवाले। सुन दर्द भरे मेरे नाले, सुन दर्द भरे मेरे नाले, ओ दुनिया के रखवाले, 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 रखवाले।
बहुत 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 खूबसूरती से आपने गाया. I would like to say one thing about this song. This song, when Rafi ji tried to sing this song, he did 15 times riyaj, his trial, and in that he could not sing, and his throat has become so badly affected that people started saying that he would not be able to regain his voice again. Blood started flowing from his throat. But because it was a ibadat, it was a prayer, and it was written by Muslims and sung, and it is for the Hindus prayer. The God is great, God is one, and he sang this song this time with in a higher scale and without any hassle. Now this is called devotion. And when I spoke to Mr. Pradeep, I asked the same question to him, whether you will be able to sing this song, because it's a very, very difficult song. And he says, no, Mr. Goel, don't worry, I will. And I'm sure today you have done the justice with this song, and late Muhammad Rafi, wherever he is, he will definitely give his all the blessings. Thank you very much, Mr. Pradeep Somasundaram, for giving such a nice, beautiful, melodious program to all our viewers. And this program today, which has been live telecasted by V4 News, Global TV, V4 Stream, Malnadu TV, News Gaon Se, Samvad Sarocar News, as well as it was shown live on Facebook and YouTube.